There are many stories of people in Abuja who claimed that their lands were taken away from them unjustly. Most of such cases ended in court and many sought compensation from the Federal Capital Territory Administration. How much information is out there for residents on the Land Use Act? And how enlightened are the people in Abuja over land acquisition and ownership in FCT? In this exclusive interview, Barrister Ogbonia Aleke explains that one of the major challenges on land ownership and acquisition in Abuja is that of administrative bottlenecks.
People are facing acquisition or ownership of land in Abuja is the issue of administrative bottlenecks. For instance, you may be aware that you can acquire a plot of land in Abuja by submitting an application to the minister's office. But the procedure, the process, how that particular application will be processed, for it to be allocated to you, sincerely may be a Herculean task. And Nigeria, this is a fact all of us know. If you don't have access to a minister or someone who has a close relationship with the minister, your application letter may not be given adequate attention. At least that issue of bottlenecks in the office becomes a very big challenge. We that are in private practice, we have encountered so many situations where even the civil servants, even the people that work in people that are working in the office that is in control and management of land administration, may even connive and collude with land grabbers and land speculators. You may be parading a document claiming that it is a genuine allocation without even knowing that you have a double allocation. And by the time maybe you start erecting your building, another person may even come up, either with us or whomever, to challenge your title.
He also added that many people are unaware of the processes involved in land acquisition in the Federal Capital Territory, as well as the Land Use Act and its implementation.
Many people in Abuja, living in Abuja, do not even know that at least for one to acquire a land, that one can ordinarily submit an application to the office of the minister for an allocation of property. People don't even know that at all. Many do not even know that at all. Most often, whenever they have access to funds to acquire a land, they will just place a call. Oh, please, I need a plot of land. They will start looking for someone who will sell. But that does not mean that that aspect is wrong. But ordinarily, nothing stops a Nigerian to submit application for allocation of land to the minister's office, because in Abuja, in FCT, it is the Minister of Federal Capital Territory that has power, that holds every land in FCT in trust for the benefits of the citizens. So people don't know about that one. So it is a very, very big challenge, because ordinarily, if people have knowledge of such means of acquisition of land, there will be no reason for people falling into series of problems just in the bid on cost of acquisition of land. Yeah, I may say 80% of Nigerians do not even know there is a law called Land Use Act, and there are benefits and its services to the nation.
The question of which court is saddled with the responsibility of entertaining land matters in the FCT is quite straightforward, he added.
The Land Use Act that governs administration of land in all parts of Nigeria, in 30 states, including FCT, made it clear. I think Section 39 of the Land Use Act. It used the word exclusive jurisdiction when it comes to issues to determine ownership or title to property or a piece of land in Abuja. It is the Land Use Act used the word exclusive. As a lawyer, while looking at the wordings of that particular Section 39, there is an anomaly. Our discussion on the ownership of land in FCT is a Federal Capital Territory High Court, or otherwise High Court of FCT that has jurisdiction.
Aleke urged the National Orientation Agency and other stakeholders involved to create more awareness of the processes in land ownership and acquisition so as not to fall victim to fraud.